Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Todoist's Quick Add feature for fast task input, your key to productivity in 2025. To get started, open up the Todoist app on your device. Look for the red plus sign at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it. This is the Quick Add button, which is your fast pass to adding tasks. It's designed to help you save time and keep your workflow smooth. Next up, type in the task you want to add. Let's say, buy groceries at 5 p.m. Now this is where the magic happens. Todoist automatically recognizes the time you've typed and sets a due date for you. The reason we do this is to keep you from manually setting up due dates, saving you precious seconds. Now that we've done that, let's add a label. After your task, add @ followed by your label. For example, @personal. Labels help categorize your tasks so you can find them easily later. Finally, let's assign this task to a project by type followed by your project name. For instance, errands. This helps us because it keeps your tasks organized within relevant projects, aiding in efficient task management. And there you have it. Your task is now added to your Todoist. Just click on Add and you're done. The Quick Add feature is designed to make task input faster and more intuitive. By understanding the natural language you use, it cuts down the time you spend on task management, leaving you more time to actually get things done. And that's it for today's quick guide on how to use Todoist's Quick Add for fast task input. Remember, productivity is just a quick add away. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.